Hi guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing kettlebell swings. All right, y'all, so when we do these, we have two different variations. We have the Russian variation and we have the American variation. For our Russian variation, we're only going to eye level. For the American variation, we're going all the way up overhead. For both variations, we're gonna have our feet under our hips a little bit wider. Toes are gonna be pointing out just slightly because we're gonna be hip hinging with that kettlebell, bringing it back to gain some momentum. We might begin here in this standing position with all of our joints stacked from our head all the way down to our feet. We're going to begin by pushing the hips back, so it's a hip hinge, not a knee bend. It's a hip hinge with a slight knee bend. And that right there is our momentum. The kettlebell is going to make it to eye level. There's not going to really be a bend in the elbows. We're not pulling it up. We're using our hips to create the momentum. So hip hinge, then squeeze the glutes. That's going to create the momentum. Your hands are just kind of holding on. So to get it overhead, it's just going to be a bigger hip drive, so more of a glute squeeze at the top, and that's going to bring the kettlebell all the way up overhead. Now when we're here, this is a light kettlebell, so I can show you, my biceps are by my ears. The kettlebell is directly overhead. It's not falling. That's what it's going to look like slowed down, but in real time, that's where we're at. All right, guys, this is going to get your heart rate up. This is also going to increase your posterior chain and your hip strength. So for more exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.